Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Cocomi, has asked central forces to leave Manipur if they fail to take action on Kuki militants involved in drone strike. This comes after a drone attack carried out by Kuki militants on August 17 at Kotruk, which raised serious concerns over the inaction of the central forces stationed in the area. Addressing the media at Cocomi's office, Coordinator Tokcham Somorendro condemned the Central Force's failure to respond to the attack. Despite being stationed near the site, he expressed his disappointment over the center and state government's silence even after concern has been raised for threat on national security as Kuki militants carried out drone bombings, further escalating the ongoing violence that has persisted for over 16 months. In response to the attack, Cocomi has appealed to the people to form human chain from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. tomorrow, urging immediate action and removal of central forces from sensitive areas. Somorendro emphasized that failure to act during the drone attack demonstrates the central forces' inability to protect people and raises concern about their effectiveness. Cocomi questioned whether the center's silence over drone strike at Kotruk is due to concern about disrupting India's relationship with other countries.
Drone bombing tawduna some yam singi punsi kanbanga makraba amadi ekhoi ngakpa makrabadina DCP madi security advisor se magi phamji chindo hojikte khoi thambirunu haiba ani asi mokoi hidden agenda laibra mokoi khangamni akhoi ngakna bui wakhalonu sathadrabina mokoi anoba ma sindokpiu haiba phamji ekhoi India la ngakpa masimusu thamjari drone bombing sina duna some yam hatba satharakba amadi security process kaya aso open yaur phawbuda Manipur lengangna amadi central lengangna tuminna leishinbagi khoi mayokta hayeng ase khoi Manipur da laibiriba bepum khrimangna lambi da thopiraga maruaina khoi main road sida thopiraga khoi human chain semaga miyamna moi India lengak amadi Manipur lengak se yaning habi khonjen kholao do khoi hositi miyam punna lawminamagi matamdo oire adun maram warga khoi heyengsi ayuki pung trama thoidegina baro bhogje khoi chorokta thoganda Skunder like Tambiriba College, Tambiriba Sing Yauna, Loyana, Wagi, Langaki, Loshang the Tabak, Yauna, Wagi Humans and Semga, India Langak, Abadi, State Langang, with Hongje, Hoi Supin Pendre, Heavy, Holama, Mayama, Langwinishi, Haibama, Manipur, Tanzari.